Hi, I'm Bill Lynn. I'm the Vice President of Heritage Arsenal here in Colorado Springs. Happy Veterans Day weekend. And in honor of Veterans Day, we're obviously all across the nation thinking about veterans in our family, and how we might be able to honor them or pay tribute to them even in our own home. One of the ways we do that is called a Veteran Tribute. Now, we build these as a service to people who want to put a shadow box together of vintage medals to honor their loved one. This is something you can also do yourself. So you can take something as simple as this, a very simple plain shadow box. I cut a piece of material in here to be able to allow the objects inside to stand out. And one of your first questions has to be, well, what goes into this? Well, every soldier, sailor, airman, and marine who were discharged during World War II, for example, was issued an honorable discharge certificate, which I have a copy here, and a War Department form that would have read like a diary of that individual service. From there, we can extrapolate what belongs in this shadow box. If you don't have, a lot of soldiers did not have a complete set of what they were entitled to, or over the years, these things have been lost. That's where Heritage Arsenal comes in. We're able to find vintage era medals that would have been representative of your loved one's service and put them in here in an assemblage. So in this case, we have a staff sergeant who was killed at the Battle of Bastogne with the 101st Airborne Division. We had a few objects, but we didn't have everything. So you see we put his rank in here, his overseas service stripes, his good conduct medal, American campaign, the correct, according to his paperwork, the correct campaign credits onto his campaign medal for Europe, as well as the World War II Victory Medal. 101st Airborne, 327 Glider Infantry. What's kind of neat about this, we actually found a gentleman who has old stock blank dog tags from the Second World War. He has a dog tag machine, and he can actually use the exact format of the Second World War and put your loved one's information on it. I think it looks really, really nice. Now, we were lucky with Edmund Sternot. We had things in stock. We had 100 of his letters. We had some other pieces of memorabilia. That may not be the case with you, but nonetheless, we can help you through that. I would ask that you reach out on heritagearsenal.com, give us a call or send us a note, and we would love to embark on a project that honors your loved ones. And so as we think about Veterans Day and the veterans of our nation, we want to talk to you about this service and this capability. Happy Veterans Day.